Yes. Oh my god. We are at one. Yes, we hit it. We got it. Woo! Let's go. We hit. Yeah. Oh my gosh, dude. Right as we just hit 1,000. Oh my god. Dude, what? We just hit 1,005. Yes. Dude, I was about to be happy because of 1,000. I refreshed the page 1,000, and now we're at 1,000. Yes, we are on our way to 1,100. Thank you guys so much. We have hit 1,000 total channel views. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm pretty sure if I go to Social Blade, it only shows the subscriber count, I'm pretty sure. So like if we put in my username ROBLX, come on. Alright, here it is. Okay, it doesn't show, it only shows the revenue and the it does kind of show it right here. But I'm pretty sure you have to refresh it all the time. And I'm pretty sure they don't have like an individual subscriber count and stuff. Of course, I don't often get subscribers. But yes. We did it. 1,005, I guess I could say. 1,005 total channel views. And apparently this was the last video I made before I hit 1,000 channel views. And I don't know how I got 1,005 so quickly. But thank you guys so much, and let's see if maybe we can play a game too. Well, I did promise an episode 2 for the hobby of chills, but I never did it, so I guess it could be for this one. And before we go ahead and enter the game, I also just made something. It's an accomplishment day. When I hit my milestones, like March 16th, I hit 10 subscriber milestone. Thank y'all so much for it. And today I hit 1,000 total channel views, and I immediately hit 1,005. But let's see if we maybe can play a game. Let's play my game, because as I already said, I never made oh my gosh, I just close that, and then I see 1,005 and only 42. Like most of my friends need at least 100 videos to get their first 1,000, and I got it in 42 easily. Thank you guys. Oh well, I suck. Let's lower down this thing. Holy snap. Is it ROBLOX? Okay, it's at the lowest in ROBLOX. Let's go here. Oh, dude, bruh. Oh my gosh, I almost died, dude. Almost. Dude, my top hat just glitches through the thing. Oh, dang. Let's see if we can pass this thing. Crap. Oh my gosh, dude, I suck at this. I added 2 new stages. They're literally inspired by Tower of Hell stages. I literally had to stay in the Tower of Hell game to be able to build these, dude. And the kill bricks, dude, there's so many kill bricks for that thing. I could show you what I'm talking about, guys, in a moment. This lags a lot, so I don't know if I'll be able to pass it this video. Dude. Alright, we did it. Yes, first try, man. Maybe that extra 5 views gave me good luck. because it really does seem like it. Because I usually die on that part. So this one, I literally had to stay in the game, and I literally copied the exact thing. Maybe I shouldn't call it inspire. And I just don't know how to get these kill bricks to work, so I might delete this, because this is like too much. Like, dude, I have to do so many scripts to make it work, dude. And this one is pretty hard, actually. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, dude, lag. I almost died. Oh, yes. And I had a couple text labels here. Wow, you're a real parkour master, you might say, or whatever. And here I am. Yeah. Slashy dance. We made it to the end. Yeah. Well, I guess I could say thank you guys so much for doing this for me. Thank you guys for getting me to 1,005 views. I didn't know this. Like yesterday, I was like chilling, and then I wake up, look at my YouTube, and I see 982 total views. Oh, let's upload episode 2 of Sword Fights on the Heights, or playing ROBLOX in 2008, but in 2020, and that gave me 1,005 views. So yeah, thank you guys so much. You guys build the community, okay? If I didn't have you guys, I would have 0 subscribers, obviously. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about 42 videos, and only 42 videos, and already 1,005 total views. And yeah, see you guys next time.